I'm unboxing a very exciting pair of shoes today. They're exciting for me. I'm just realizing, I don't know if it'll be exciting for you. But I purchased a new pair of shoes off Mytheresa.com, which is a stockist of luxury designer goods. I honestly, is it the grey market? I'm not sure. But anyway, I love the website, I have the app, and I wish I had a discount code for you, but I don't. I'll check my account and see if there's any way I can get a discount code, because I haven't used a discount code, which I'm so sad about. But anyway, I got this pair of shoes on sale. It was the last size, in my size anyway. I'm a size 39, just for reference. And I'm so excited about it because this was on my wish list, because of course, if you haven't already, you can create like such a cute little wish list on Canva and save it as a PDF, and it's so nice to go back and kind of mark off what you've got, but also, you know, just have that there for that inspiration of while you're working like so hard. Am I right? So that's the inside packaging there. I did opt for the environmentally friendly packaging this time, because last time I ordered a couple of pairs of shoes and I got like their, can you chill? And I got their yellow packaging, and it was so gorgeous and such a great like experience and looked so beautiful. But this time I opted for the environmentally friendly option because, you know, I don't need any more boxes floating around, and I thought save it for somebody who wants that gorgeous yellow packaging and will maybe like display it. So in the box it has my invoice, which we do not want to look at, but it has all the return and exchange information. So hopefully I don't have to return these. My last purchase, I purchased a couple of Christian Louboutins, and I got size 39. I got some little ballet flats and then some like thong type shoes, and they fit friggin' perfectly because I have lost a couple of kilos, nothing major, but it does really impact the size of my foot. So now I can really comfortably order the 39, and I feel confident, but I'm going to try them on and show you guys, and hopefully they do fit. If not, I'll be so disappointed, because as I said, these have been on my wish list. And then they give you a little card and it says thank you, and this has been lovingly wrapped by, and I don't know how to say that, but I think it's so cute that they include who has wrapped it. I think that's fun. Oh my god, it's Felipe! I used to work with a guy called Felipe, and he was from Southern America. That is so cute! So shout out to Felipe. I've never met a bad Felipe, so thank you so much for packaging my shoes. And should I zoom you out a little bit more? So I've just opened the bow. I love the little ribbon. I haven't even told you guys what shoes these are. Anyway, so let's open her up. And you can see how well my mate Felipe, my new friend, you can see how well he's packaged this so that it doesn't all float around and damage the box. The box is a bit damaged, but I think that could be from like storage. But you can see that it's wrapped in really tight, so it's not just flinging around. This box is so cute, and now I can finally reveal what shoes they are. They're actually the Balenciaga Knife Bow Heels, and they're in a lambskin, so they're quite soft, and I got mine in the size 39. Oh, so pretty. I can't have this fling out at me. Oh, so cute, and they're already in their little dust bags, which is nice. And then it also comes with a little Balenciaga. This must be like little care information and product information. And it also comes with this. Oh, which are the new little heel stoppers, you know, that you put on the bottom of the heel. So if I chew through these ones, or if I get them damaged, then I have those, which is nice. And then here's my other shoes. You can see that they've got a really nice cotton dust bag, which is good because it's breathable. Ah! They have this, which I will keep because it's good to keep the shape. And these are pretty. Ooh, that is so so stunning. I really love, oh, I love it. Oh, that is a nice, it's got that crinkly leather finish, which I like because it is a bit shiny, but I'm not as big of a fan as patent. I feel patent is very dressy, at least for me, because I have a very like soft body type. Anyway, so it's got the little leather bow on the front. I'm also obsessed with this kind of style in satin, but here we are, I've got the leather, and it is like quite soft, and on the inside it's got the suede exposed, and there's a little bit of padding in there as well, which is quite good. A little bit of padding in the back, and I'm a very big fan of this kind of heel because it's inwards, so it kind of supports the heel of the foot a little bit more, allegedly. I like that instead of like a traditional heel, they don't cut off like here. They actually come around and hug the foot, but it's a nice soft leather, so I'll have a good time breaking these in, because I find if it comes across, because like my feet are quite wide where the toes are, like at that point, and so anything that stops there, any leather, if the shoe stops there, it does pinch on my foot a lot. That is my left shoe, and this is my right shoe. But that's what they look like. Absolutely loving it. I'm so glad I got these. Last pair in my size. They're pretty hard to find on the internet. I had seen them on David Jones as well at one point. How am I going to try these on and show you guys, because I need to show you. I might have to move rooms. Let's go. So I'm in my living room. I'm not wearing the correct outfit, but that's okay. I'm just in a sweatpant. And so I'm gonna try these on. Let me roll these up. Oh, bitch. She just got crushed. Oh my God. So they fit, I would say, pretty much spot on. You guys can be the judge. Tell me what you think. I probably could have even have sized up for length, but then they might have been a bit loose because this foot's actually slightly smaller. And then they are so freaking evil looking. Look at that. Oh my God. They are so silly. From above, they are so cute. They are so evil. They're obviously, in my opinion, they're not standard. This is not just a standard look. I wish my foot was a bit slimmer here, but this is just how it is. Look at that. Look at that with a sweatpant, because this is what I'm thinking, guys. Please, please bear with me and my little Nosferatu legs. But you can just imagine, like I could just wear it with these, right? I could just wear it with these. So they just look so nice peeking out, I think, from a pant. This is kind of my vision, because I just bought a pair of Levi's, which are a wide leg, like quite a long leg. And I just thought that they would go perfectly with these. When my foot is exposed like this, it's so freaking evil. Like, I look like Cruella de Vil. Not a bad look. They are so freaking comfortable. Obviously, I haven't walked anywhere, but they're so comfortable, like here. Like my toe just fits like perfectly in there. There's so much space. It doesn't feel like it's pinching. And because they're lamb skin, I feel that I'll be able to break them in like pretty easy. So can you imagine? These would be so good as like an office shoe, like if you were in corporate, because everyone better watch out for you. What do you guys think? I need to do like a bit of a walk for you guys. Let me just set that up. Sorry if it's a bit blurry. Oh, that's slippery. Do you love them? I'm kind of obsessed. So that's my new shoes. I really want to wear them out tonight. So I want to wear them with my new pants, even though my new pants are too long, but too bad. These are so cute. I'm so excited to break them in a little bit more. They feel very comfortable now, but I'm just so excited. You know when you wear something and then it molds to your body and then it just becomes like part of you. So I'm very excited about these. So that's my new shoes. I'm excited to wear them to the movies tonight, and I just am just so excited to take them out with my little kitten heel and just absolutely wear them to death and break them in.